नमस्कार, AKS विश्वविद्यालय की खबरों के साथ मैं हूं मानसी। विश्वविद्यालय के माइनिंग विभाग में एक वर्कशॉप का आयोजन हुआ, आइए देखते हैं।
Any of the borehole was not drilled up to the particular depth when compared to the other boreholes. What software does is it will extrapolate up to which depth your seam may correlate. So that kinds of extrapolation and interpolation will also be done in the software. So this is an example how boreholes are extrapolated, and again it will interpolate it. So based on the algorithms which were built into the software, so it will extrapolate and then it will interpolate based on the deep of the boreholes or seam of the boreholes available with respect to the adjacent boreholes. So this won't go for the faulted models. In software what we does is we will unfault the data. Unfaulting is nothing but before fault appears. So initially when coal was formed, how the coal was layered before having any faults or before having any geological disturbances. So that the terminology we call it as unfaulting. That means removing the faults and then seeing how initially coal was present below the subsurface. So we will model that, and again after modeling the unfaulted data, we again refault it. That means we will again give the faulting data into that and then refault it. So directly going for the faulting model, so it's very complex and it's very difficult for the software to understand. So for that we prepare an unfaulted model and then again we refault it so that your coals will be displayed based on the fault through and deep of the different parameters. So this how in software this can be applied. So unfaulting and the refaulting based on the fault zones. So again this is the 3D representation of the coal seams. So this is the sectional view. So if you cut any coal seam at a particular line and then if you see in a section, so this is how in a section it will be viewed. So these lines are called as the fault lines. So the white lines you can see are the fault lines, and then below.
विश्वविद्यालय खबरों में फिलहाल इतना ही। नई खबरों के साथ होगी फिर मुलाकात, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार। अगर आप रहना चाहते हैं विश्वविद्यालय खबरों के साथ अपडेट तो सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा चैनल।